Today's recipe is a quick, simple, and delicious one. And if you like shrimps, you're gonna love this one. You'll need 1 kilogram or about 2 pounds of deveined shrimps. If you don't know how to devein shrimps, I've added a link below. You'll also need olive oil, salt, pepper, 8 cloves of garlic, 1 large lemon, chili powder, peri if you want to add some heat, chopped parsley, 4 chunks of butter, and an iron skillet. First, we'll drizzle the shrimps with virgin olive oil. Then we'll add a generous amount of salt, followed by pepper. Now add some chili flakes. If you want to increase the heat, you can add some peri. Next, use a large lemon. If you don't have any large ones, use a couple of smaller ones and squeeze in all the juice. Add about 8 cloves of garlic. Now give everything a good mix. Be very careful because the shells are on the shrimps. Some people remove them, but I prefer keeping the shells on because it doesn't let the shrimps dry as much when they're being smoked. And now it's time to take the shrimps and range them in the skillet. Once you have a stable temperature of about 225 degrees Fahrenheit or around 110 degrees Celsius, it's time to put the skillet on the smoker. After a couple of minutes, add 4 large chunks of butter, and then sprinkle some chopped parsley. And let it smoke for 30 minutes. And there you have it. Another heavenly recipe from Jesus.